Okay, we're going to talk about 51 and 52 for right now. For 51, again, this is one of those questions of vocabulary, and we'll be publishing the list of vocabulary for students to look at. Undecidable is one of the vocabulary words you need to know, as well as low-level programming. So let's have a look at this problem in general. A student wants to create an algorithm that can determine, given any program and program input, whether or not the program will go in an infinite loop for that input. The problem the student is attempting to solve is considered undecidable. Which of the following is true? The answer is D. It is not possible to create an algorithm that will solve the problem for all programs and inputs because it's an undecidable problem. When you're looking at these other ones, you can eliminate those, but it's also important to make sure you know that vocabulary, particularly low-level programming, as well as reasonable times and execution on multiple CPUs, meaning more than one computer.